power cable. Fix the two handles well and put it up. Turn the power switch. This is the button to forward left. When we want to stop, we can press the red pause button. And this is the button to forward right. When we want to forward right, we can press that button. When we press the stop button, the screw will stop moving. When we press the 0 button, it will flash all the time. We can then press the OK button to clear the data to 0. This is the conversion button between kilogram and newton. If we press the green button first, it will display kilogram. Then, if we press it again, it will display newton. Switch, fuse, speed knob. You can see it's very slow to move to left. Then we can adjust it to the fastest speed. Of course, we try to adjust it gently. Then we can press the stop button and power off. In the actual test, we need to make sure the width of the sample not surpass 20 millimeters. Before starting test, we also have to take care of the distance of the two ends of the sample. After the sample fixed well, we will start the test. Now we can press the 0 button and then press OK to clear the data and start the test by pressing left button. You can adjust the speed according to ASTM test standard, and then press the left row button to start pulling the gel membrane to the left. You will find the current tensor in the right side of screen, exchanging along with the jig. And finally, a maximum tensor valve will come out together with the maximum distance in the left side of screen as soon as the sample wraps. Press the pause button to retest the data.